UniProtect presents M Retail POS app. In order to uphold your supermarket business, which is paralyzed now due to lockdown, we present you M Retail POS app. Do you own a supermarket? If your answer is yes, you heard us right. We create and give you an exclusive POS app for your business with custom design and with many more options. Using this app, your customers can order groceries and other goods from their home itself, and the items can be collected either in person or by home delivery. They don't have to wait for searching, finding and paying in queue inside the store.
நம்ம ஆப் இதுல போகையில நம்ம கடையை உங்களுக்கு முன்னால கண்கூடா நிப்பாட்டுற காலகட்டத்துல அந்த கஸ்டமர்லாம் இன்னும் உள்ள வர்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் நிறைய இருக்கு.
M Retail POS app comes with online payment facility. Additionally, M Retail POS app provides a Bluetooth-based service discovery profile which helps staff to find precisely the location of each product, say which lane and rack the product is kept. This further helps in quickening the delivery. As you become our valued M Retail POS app customer, you have the privilege of knowing the latest market demand and the wish list from your local area through an inbuilt option in our app. Call us now to know more about how to use our M Retail POS app services in your supermarket business and get a free technical guidance. Here comes UniProtect's M Retail POS app, a dream come true for every supermarketers. Buy UniProtect's M Retail POS app and win over lockdown.